Understanding Green Policy, a guide to eco-friendly practices. Hello and welcome to our learning channel. Today, we'll unravel the meaning of green policy. If you're curious about how organizations and governments are protecting our planet, stay tuned. Green policy refers to strategies and actions aimed at promoting environmental sustainability. These policies are designed to minimize the negative impact on the environment, focusing on practices like recycling, reducing carbon emissions, and protecting natural resources. Our environment is under threat from pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Green policy is crucial because it represents a commitment to protecting our planet for future generations. It's about making decisions that prioritize the Earth's health and well-being. Let's explore some common green policies. Renewable energy, encouraging the use of solar and wind power to replace fossil fuels. Waste reduction, implementing recycling programs and reducing single-use plastics. Sustainable transportation, promoting electric vehicles and public transport to cut down on pollution. Everyone can play a part. By being mindful of our consumption, advocating for eco-friendly laws, and supporting companies with strong green initiatives, we contribute to a healthier planet. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of green policy and inspired you to take eco-friendly actions. Remember, every small step can make a big difference. Until next time, let's keep learning and growing together.